Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page in 2023 by using your Android or iOS. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tutorials. First, open Facebook app, then go to menu on the right bottom of your screen. Once you open the menu, you can see a few shortcuts. Click on Pages to open up your pages list that you have managed. And right here, click on Create Feature. Then hit on Get Started in order to create your page. The first you have to do is enter your page name. You can just tap on the text field and then just type your business name, brand or organization. Once you have done, click Next. There you have to select a category best describe your page. You can tap there and type your page categories. You can add up to 3 categories. Once you finish, hit on Create. You already successfully create your page. Now, we can add more details here to help people connect with you. There you can add some bio about your page. Here, I will add some information. You also can do the same. After that, you can add contacts, website, email address and phone number. You can skip this one first and add on your details later. Also, you can add location. You also can add hours to let people know your location's hours. If there's no hour, you can click on No Hours Available, and if your business open 24 hours. You also can click this one and you can choose standard hours and pick your business hours. Once you have done, hit on Next. Now you can customize your page. You can set your page logo here or any other picture here. You also can do the same way to add your page cover. Once you finish, hit on Next. Now you can connect with SOP account to that Facebook page or you can just skip it. Enter the verification code and click Confirm. Next step, you are able to invite friends to that page. I will select all here to send invitations to my Facebook friends. So, basically that's all about how to create your Facebook page. Now, you can review your page and edit your page profiles anytime. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your comments below. Thanks for watching.